Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to maths class. Today we are going to discuss question number 2 of exercise 1.1 chapter number 1. Question is about equal matrices. Question is which of the following matrices are equal? So हमें ये बताना है कि जो हमारे पास मैट्रिसेस हमें दी जा रही हैं उनमें से कौन कौन सी मैट्रिसेस इक्वल हैं। तो सबसे पहले हमें ये पता होना चाहिए कि इक्वल मैट्रिसेस क्या होती हैं। तो इक्वल मैट्रिसेस को हम अगर देखें तो उसकी जो जनरल डेफिनेशन है वो इस तरह से है, लेट ए एंड बी टू मैट्रिसेस देन ए इज सेड टू बी इक्वल टू बी एंड डिनोटेड बाय ए इज इक्वल टू बी if and only if there are two conditions when they will be equal. The first condition is that the order of A is equal to order of B, and second is that the corresponding entries are equal, means that the entries that are elements that are written inside the square bracket are same. So at the same place they are same. So if these two conditions are satisfied, then we say that the matrices are equal. So we are moving towards our questions that are, these are the questions. Now first of all we will start from A. A matrix is given that 3. Now consider this, what is the order of this matrix? The order of this is, it has one row and one column, which means that its order is 1 into 1. Now we will move on to matrix B. Similarly C, D, E, F, G, H, I and J. So when we move up to B, B has an order of, it has one row and two column, means that its order is 1 into 2, which is not equal to A. This first condition is not satisfied. Then we move on to C. Look at here. C has 5 minus 2. It is written 5 minus 2, which means 3. Which means 3. If the answer is 3, then it means that इसकी जो order होगा वो होगा 1 into 1, which means कि हमारा जो इसका order है वो होगा 1 into 1, one row and one column. So it is one row and one column, order is same. C's order is same as of A. इनके A और C का order हमारे पास same है. Similarly इसकी first condition तो satisfy हो गई. अब इसकी second condition हमारे पास क्या आती है कि इसकी corresponding entries means कि जो इसके अंदर elements लिखे हुए हैं वो भी उस place पे same होने चाहिए. तो A में देखें, A में 3 लिखा हुआ है and C में क्या है 5 minus 2 equals to क्या होता है 3. Then our both conditions are satisfied. Look at here, order of two matrices is equal and their corresponding entries are also equal. So that means that A is equal to C, A and C are equal matrices, that is order of 1 into 1. A and C has order 1 into 1 and elements are same. So similarly we move on to next. B has an order of one row and two column, means order of 1 into 2. Now we will search how many matrices has 1 into 2 order. That is I. I matrix has an order of 2. That is, we solve it, right? 2 plus 2 4, 2 plus 4 6. Look at here, entries are also coming same, right? B and I, look at here, I is equal to 3 and 3 plus 2 5. So and B has also 3 into 5, right? 3 and 5 two elements, B has and I has also 3 and 5 two elements which are same and their order is also same. So similarly E, H and J have an order of 2 into 2 and elements are also same, you can check it. And then F and G, they both are also equal, they have an order of 2 into 1, and the elements are also same. So students, we have to check two entries, means there are two conditions which we have to satisfy. First condition is that their order will be same, and the entries, the elements written inside a square bracket, that is the elements of the matrices, would be same, right? So that matrices are called equal matrices, and these are equal matrices. Hope you will understand and easily solve these questions. Thank you, and watch my next video for question number 3, and also subscribe and follow my channel. Thank you.